Today, bus tour to Kilkenny, info at the end of the video, but first...
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house, I'm just wasted on the couch. Guess I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. I know the hour's getting late, I shouldn't sit here contemplating. I just can't stop thinking about us. I won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smile at me. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon.
Have a joy glorious day, folks. I'm Lawrence from Italy and my aim is to show you many places around the world from my curious human perspective. If you want, help me grow this project, snap me a like and subscribe. Today I'm going to tell you about a wonderful bus tour from Dublin to Kilkenny and Glendalough, to obviously give you a couple of tips in case you would like to do it too. The bus left Dublin at 9 o'clock in the morning from the Rue Plaza Hotel. Our manager was great and his name was Pat. I hope if you buy this tour you will meet him, because he's a very interesting person and he made me think of reading a book about Irish Revolution and one about St. Patrick's. I also found that St. Patrick's Day was imported from Boston, which is really strange actually. Our tour today made two stops. The first at Wicklow Mountains National Park, at the early medieval monastic settlement of Glendalough, founded in the 6th century. It was really interesting. I stopped and took a lot of pictures at this cemetery, despite the fact that I don't like taking pictures of cemeteries, you know, out of respect for the people who died, but this was a special case. Then I walked to the lake, which was great, but I would have preferred to have at least half an hour more to shoot more calmly and without rushing the path. The second stop was in Kilkenny, which I knew about because of the famous Kilkenny beer, but you know I don't drink alcohol, so I went first to visit the original 13th century castle, which is really beautiful, although unfortunately I wasn't able to shoot inside. Then I went to visit a bit the city. It was really nice. Anyway, I hope I have intrigued you. I really recommend you to take this tour. Anyway, I conclude the video here. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time with the final recap of the trip. In the meantime, folks, cheers!